Hi, besties. I'm finally here to tell you about the pink app that everyone keeps talking about. You know how you ask someone, what's the name of the app? And they say, oh, it's the pink app. I spent months looking for this app. So that's it, just the pink app. Yeah, exactly, it's the pink app. Then you run to Play Store, you run to your Apple Store, and you type the pink app, and nothing, absolutely nothing is coming up. Yes, and that's where the confusion comes in. So well, do not worry about that. Today I'm going to show you exactly what that pink app is, what it looks like, and how you can get started, how you can start cashing out from this app. So for this video, I actually installed my own pink app from my phone so I could take you through everything from the beginning. We will sign up together and I will show you what the app looks like inside step by step. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is Everything Content with Cheta. On this channel, we talk about legitimate ways to make money online from AI tools, remote jobs, freelancing, content creation, and also apps like this I'm about to talk about today. So everything I share on this channel is not a get rich overnight trick. Nah, if you're looking for magic money, I'm sorry. This is the wrong channel for you. Here we focus on real opportunities, and real opportunities needs real effort. Exactly. You have to learn, you have to stay consistent, and yes, you have to put in the work. And if you do that, your chances of making money online becomes much more easier. So, all right, enough talking. I've done enough talking already. Let's get into the tutorial and let me show you the app everyone has been calling the pink app. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, just move over to your Chrome and then you type Bolo app. And then the next thing after you type and download, this is the next interface you're going to get. So after that, it's time to sign up. I always advise people not to use their official emails to sign up, emails for your business, for maybe order of your freelancing jobs on Upwork and LinkedIn, stuffs like that. Always have a separate email for this. So now you can see people are already on this app streaming. It is real, guy. It is legit. Bolo app is very, very legit. People are cashing out from here every single day. The question is, are you ready to put in the work? If you are ready, Bolo app is also ready to give you the money. So it's real, guys. This is the inside. This is like my profile. I'm yet to set it up because this is like an account I created for just this tutorial. This is not my real account. So I didn't use my real account for the tutorial. This is like a second account I created for just this tutorial alone. So I know some of you might be wondering what exactly is Bolo app? How can I use it? What is it all about? I mean, some people are coming across legit ways to make money like this for the first time. So it's a live streaming app where creators can go live, interact with viewers, and earn money through virtual gifts sent by their fans, yes, by your audience. So the more active and engaging your live streams are, the more gifts you can receive, and those gifts will be converted into real money later. Yes, when I was actually streaming on this app, I do stream 2 to 3 hours every day. So you see, you have to put in the work. It's not something you just sit around and you expect money. The app also supports voice chat rooms, talent shows. So if you're somebody that enjoys chatting with people, singing, dancing, gaming, or you just want to connect with people all over the world, then this app is definitely for you. Stop sleeping on it. Go ahead, sign up, and start making friends and start connecting. Also, for you to make money here, you have to spend time going live and building an audience. Just like I told you before, when I was active on the app, I streamed 2 to 3 hours every day. So, guys, you have to put in the work. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. And if you want me to tell you more about the app, if you want me to show you how you can succeed on this app, how you can make more money, get clients call you, send you gifts, let me know in the comment section and I will do a video for that. Thank you guys and bye bye.